Looking at the current market is 500, and we are looking at being about 550 to 600. Yes. But the current tuk-tuks that we have, we are not selling them. Yeah. We are bringing in the rest, the consignment that is coming end of February, early March. Those are the ones which will be on the market.
So
yes.
How many?
9 of them. Yes.
So how many are you expecting?
Spare parts. Yes. We'll have them. We'll have the spare parts here. When the shipment is coming, we'll have spare parts. And also the wheels that are here, it's the same wheels that the other tuk-tuks are using. Yes. Because that's the only wear and tear we are expecting, because there's no engine even in the cars. No much service is required for electric cars. So the little wear and tear. This is for R&D, for research. So what we found out when we brought this, that we needed bigger tuk-tuks with a bigger storage place, because that's what we have in the market. So the 9 that are on the ground is to do research and give also the people of Mombasa the feel of the electric tuk-tuks. For this, it's 100 kilometers. Give or take, we give it 80 to be comfortable. We've already put up 2 places in town, but it's the normal socket. So you can charge it at home at night and just use it during the day, the whole day, on full charge.
As this goes a long way in supporting or complementing our sustainability efforts, and especially in regards to sustainable transportation, we are encouraged to see that the space is increasingly becoming open to players in the e-mobility sector, and more particularly in the 3-wheelers, because a recent GHG, greenhouse gas emissions inventory on the transport sector in Mombasa revealed that the tuk-tuks are the biggest emitters in Mombasa. And we have been grappling with ways of trying to mitigate that, especially in the context of climate change. And this would help us address this issue significantly. So from us, we would support you, and also just also offer you linkage to other players as well. We are now aware that there's a company that is also doing motorbikes, e-motorbikes, and just also getting to link you guys so that you see how you can come together to also develop maybe a better way of approaching this problem together.
Electric mobility is among the innovative ways of solving challenges to our environment through reduction of carbon green emissions, compliance of United Nations Sustainable Development Goals that put emphasis on a clean and healthy environment that will give way to productivity and progress. The city of Mombasa has experienced an upsurge of 3-wheelers over the last couple of years, and this has presented both opportunities for our people as well as challenges in terms of traffic congestion, constraints on spare parts, on space to put up public transport systems, and effect on the environment.